The answer to that is yes, but does it have to be? No. Gentle manipulations and self-controlled manipulations generally can be pretty comfortable for patients and be pretty relieving from a pressure standpoint. But assisted manipulations or aggressive manipulations or traction, such as Y straps, uh, can cause significant injury to the structures in and around the neck. Particularly, what I've seen is injury in and around the spinal cord if you have certain stenosis or pathology, as well as injury to blood vessels in the neck, which can potentially cause stroke. So it is something to be very conscious of, and it's not something I would recommend.